Good morning. We will see today 5.3 question number 3rd. Write true or false. The question is 18 minus 3 into 5 equals 75. We will write 18 as it is. 3 5s are 15 equals 75. If you subtract, we will not get 75. Therefore, it is false. See the second question. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 equal 22. 20 plus 2, 22 equal 22. Both sides you are getting equal. That's why it is true. Third question. 4 minus 2 equals 0. 4 minus plus. You have to plus it. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Both sign is minus, therefore minus. Then 4 minus 4 is 0 equals 0. Both sides you are getting 0. That's why it is true. 18 divide 1 upon 6 divide 3 equal 1. We know if we change divide into multiply, it is reciprocal. It is reciprocal. Now 3 2 just 6. Now equal 1. 18 2s are, we won't get 1. That's why it is false. Is it clear to all of you? Question number 4. Simplify by using distributive property. 347 multiply 101. Directly we cannot multiply, we have to use a distributive property. What is distributive property? From any these two number, which number we can split into 100 plus something. This 347, we can write it 347 as it is. Multiply 100 and 1, we can write it 100 plus 1. This is 101. Now you know, multiply 347 with 100 and 347 with 1. 347 into 100, what is the sign in between? Plus 347 into 1. If you multiply, it will come 347 00 plus 347. Now you add 7 plus 0 is 7. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. Then 7 plus 3 is 10. Then carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, and this 3 will come as it is. That is 35,047. Is it clear to all of you? Now the second question we will see. Second question is 429 into 98. 429 we will write as it is. Multiply 98, we can write 100 minus 2. If we write 100 minus 2, it is 92. Then multiply this two number and this two number. It will be 42900 minus. If you multiply 429 with 2, you will get 858. 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 4s are 8. Like this step also you can make, or directly if you are getting confidence, you can directly multiply it. After subtracting, you will get 42,042. Next question is 5.8 multiply 1.5. 5.8 we will write as it is. 1.5 we can write in the bracket 1 plus 0.5. If you add, it will come 1.5. Now multiply 5.8 with 1 and 5.8 with 0.5. If you multiply 5.8 with 1, you will get 5.8 plus 5.8 multiply with 5, you will get 290. Now see, after 1 place decimal is there, again after 1 place decimal is there. That means after 2 place decimal is there. That is 2.90. Now we have to add 2.90 plus 5.8 in the rough, you add it. You will get 0. 8 plus 7, 8 plus 9, it is 17, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8. After 2 place decimal is there. Therefore, you will get 8.70. Is it clear? Now see the next question. 48 multiply 0.9. We can write 48 as 50 minus 2, that will be 48. Multiply 0.9. Now the same 50 multiply 0.9 minus 2 multiply 0.9. If you multiply this 2, it will be 45.0. If you multiply this 2, it will be 9 to the 18, 1.8. Now we have to subtract. In the rough, you subtract 45.0 minus 1.8. This we have to make it 10. This 5 will become 4. Then 10 minus 8, we know 2. Then 4 minus 1, 3, and 4 as it is. This decimal will come over here same. That is 43.2. Is it clear? Now question number 5. Ankit has rupees 50. He gave 7/10 of it to Vinita for her requirement. She needs some money, therefore Ankit has given. How much money did he give to Vinita? How much amount he has given to Vinita, we have to find out. How much amount Ankit was having? Ankit has equal rupees, how much? 50. Then money given to Vinita. How much he has given to Vinita? 7/10 of that total amount was Ankit was having. Now 7/10 of means multiply this into 50. Then cancel this 0, then 7 5s are 35. That is rupees 35. So he has given rupees 35 to Vinita. Question number 6. Mayank with rupees 20 H. Pankaj with rupees 30 visited a fair. Both of them together spent 2/5 part of the total money. While returning from fair, they paid rupees 10 for exhibition. How much money amount did they spend in fair? Mayank went with Pankaj to a fair. Mayank was having 20 rupees and Pankaj was having 30 rupees. Both spent 2/5 part of the total money. So first we have to find the total money. What was the total money? First with Mayank it is 20 and with Pankaj it is 30. Then if you add, you will get rupees 50. How much is the total? Total is 50. Now they spend the money. Money spent, where they spend? In fair. Money spent in fair. How much they have spent? 2/5 of total. Total how much it is? 50. Of means multiply. Then in place of we will multiply it. Then cancel it. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Then 2 into 10, that is 20. Rupees 20 they had spent in the fair. Now while coming back, again money they spent. How much money they spent? Spent for exhibition. Spent for exhibition. How much they spent? Rupees 10. Then how much total money they have spent? Total money spent equal. What was the first amount they have spent together? That is 20. While coming again they had gone for the sea exhibition. They have spent 10. That also 10. Then 20 plus 10, that is rupees 30. Total money spent rupees 30. Now the next question. Pooja got rupees 60 from her father, rupees 40 from her mother and rupees 20 from her brother. She purchased a pen for rupees 15. She distributed the remaining amount equally among the 5 friends. How much money did each of the friends get? How much father gave to Pooja? Father gave rupees 60. Then mother how much gave? Mother gave rupees 40. And brother how much he has given? Brother gave rupees 20. Is it clear? Now she purchased a pen. She purchased a pen. She purchased a pen for rupees 15. Now how to write? Using a bracket. Curly bracket. Then curve bracket. What was the first amount he got from his father? That is 60. Plus from mother how much she got? That is 40. And from brother again how much she got? That is 20. Then the first bracket closed. Then she has expended rupees 15 to buy a pen. That is minus. Then the bracket closed. Then whatever the amount it will come, the remainder she has divided and given it to her 5 friends. That means 60, 40 and 20. If you add, you will get 120. Then minus 15, we have to use a bracket. Then 120 minus 15, that is 105. Again divide with 5. If you divide with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. That means rupees 21 she distributed among her 5 friends. Each of them got 21 rupees.